What are we doing?
We're gonna tattoo ourselves. Again.
So we got these stick and poke tattoo kits that we've already used together. Nicole got one, I got one. And it comes with like basic stuff, but we used all our needles, so Nicole ordered more needles.
Only about 100.
Well, all our friends want us to do stick and pokes on them, so I think it's good that we got more needles.
Yeah. Like it's...
Oh my. Are they all the same?
No.
All right. We'll be set for a while.
They have 7s. They've got, like, some of them are, like, I think this one is a shading needle. Like, you can see there's more than one. Is it focusing?
Yep.
And then, like, this one.
Is it single?
No.
I like the single ones.
Magically gonna pull one out. Oh, here we go. And these ones are 3. They're pretty on point.
And then she bought more of the
stencil
lotion
gel.
Oh, stencil gel, and then the stencil, because they give you a little bit, and it's nice to have more.
Is it vegan?
It's vegan friendly, as well as the ink is vegan friendly. If you can see that tiny little vegan. Okay, there we go, vegan. That's fun. Cheers.
Cheers. It's Saturday night stick and pokes.
So this is the tattoo Nicole did last time. This is the one right here.
Yeah, I wish.
No, she did the goodbye. It looks so good.
Yeah, it healed up really well.
Yeah, I love it.
It took a while though. I think I went over it like 10 times.
Yeah.
Or something. Like it, because it doesn't look like anything. The first time you just see dots, it looks like.
You don't think you've done anything?
Yeah, it just looks like freckles or pores or something.
This is mine. Yeah, I love it. If you haven't watched this yet, we recommend watching this. It's the funniest stand-up improv ever.
It's the best.
Middleditch and Schwartz.
Every time another female student talks, he likes to then raise his hand and basically say exactly the same thing that we said, except it's a statement instead.
So, I'm gonna try and draw a match that's been extinguished, and it's gonna have like a little bit of smoke coming off.
So it's gonna be a lot of dots and stuff. What does that say?
Smoke. I wrote it upside down. It's like a 4-year-old drew it.
It's blurry. Okay, I like it. Mine is gonna be something simple. I'm just doing words this time. I've always loved the way Ficus elasticus sounds, and it's my favorite plant. Well, one of my favorite plants. So I thought it'd just be cool to do this on my body. So if you're doing this at home, always make sure to sterilize everything. Be smart and wash your hands. We should go wash our hands.
Why am I all greasy? It smells nice though. I don't know what I touched. Probably something in that box.
My brain hurts. I'm trying to think.
I would love to do it here, which I guess if I do it here and I'm sitting on the floor, I can, because I have a space there. But I also think it would look cool here. Plus, I've got this like stormy church scene going on.
That's true.
But I don't know. I think it might be nice here. What do you think? Here? Here?
I like the other place.
Here?
Oh. Why not your arm anywhere?
Here?
Yeah, that's the spot.
Because, I don't know, I want to save this arm for like color work. And I figure if I fuck up on my legs, it's not the first thing someone sees.
That's true. There is other stuff there. Yeah, then I like above.
Here?
Yeah. Okay, we just sterilized with hand sanitizer because that's all we have. And now Nicole's putting the transfer gel on.
That's what it looks like. That's what it's gonna look like.
So cool.
Hope I can do it.
Oh, it's like right in the front of your...
Uh-huh.
A little smudge, but can you work with that?
Mm-hmm.
That looks sick.
Yeah, I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, stand up straight. I don't know if it's completely straight.
Oh, I don't want it to be straight.
Oh, okay, yeah, I guess that would be kind of weird if it was straight.
Not bad.
This is the before. Looks awesome.
Alright.
So you didn't do too much, did you?
No, I did like a pretty healthy coating.
I'm just scared it'll smudge. Does that look straight? Oh, I think I did too much.
I would just pat it instead of like... Think you can work with that?
You think so?
I think so. What do you think?
Is it straight?
Yeah, it actually is pretty straight. I wouldn't try and redo it.
Who's the one they don't remember? Can't remember. Do you want this? Okay, I'm doing my first wipe, and you're gonna see there's literally nothing there.
You can see a few dots.
Few dots, that's it. My pores are bigger than the dots. I'm already kind of like being OCD about this because I see some letters are bigger than others, but whatever.
What do you mean?
Like, I don't know, I kind of just go outside the lines and I'm like, oopsie whoopsie. Oopsie whoopsie. Uh-oh. Gotta cover up this butt.
Oh, sensor.
Sensor. That looks really good so far. But yeah, the part where it's gonna be like
All black?
Yeah, that's gonna be hard.
Can you hear? I wish you could hear that pop. Can you hear your skin pop when you do it?
I can't tell if that's the pop or that's your...
That's the pop.
So how many is this? 2?
I'm not really counting.
I think that's your second one.
Yeah, but I'm going like, I'm not going over it and then wiping. I'm going over it a few times before I
Oh.
wipe it.
Okay, yeah.
So I think I've done it a couple of times.
Looks good. This is mine so far. I've done 4 rounds.
Like I can see it from here.
I know, it's just not like perfect if you look up close. I kind of go like too quick. I should probably go slower. Like look at that E. It's so bad.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that E.
I don't know, it's pretty bad. From far away it looks fine. This one's definitely way more like precise.
I think because we took so long the first time, we're trying to be faster this time.
True, plus like this is way bigger than this. Like it doesn't look like a lot bigger, but it's a lot more work than some of this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Also, I've been drinking wine, which is probably not smart.
I can only do one eyebrow, I can't do the other one. I can't do it.
Well, I can't see your leg. You gotta back up a little. There we go, perfect.
Yep. It's hard to see from this angle. Mines aren't as clean as my last one.
They're still really clean.
You think so?
Compared to this blob, what's happening over here?
Not even.
All right, let's see. Final product. Final product?
Final product.
What am I trying to say? Final
product?
reveal?
Reveal?
Final reveal.
Yeah.
Big reveal. She did shading in the smoke. It looks so but it's hard to see because of the glare.
How do you like it?
I like it. I don't love it, but I mean, it's not going to be perfect because it's a stick and poke.
Yeah, but I mean, considering. Let's see the other one. Let's put both your ankles together.
Don't mind my slippers.
I do. Yeah, I think they look great.
I also have one on my kneecap. I was telling Nicole earlier that all my tattoos from my waist down, which is only 3, are my own stick and poke tattoos. And I have 3 stick and poke tattoos on my legs.
That's pretty awesome. And I feel like you chose really good spots too.
Yeah, I kind of like the how it's minimal.
Yeah, like you'll have them when you wear your clam diggers.
Yeah, these 2 you'll see, because I most of my pants go up to here. So you'll see these. Oh god. Alright, these are our tattoos.
Not too bad.
Rate them in the comments, 1 out of 10. Don't be mean.
Yeah, I'm sensitive.
And we tried to be as sterile as we can be.
Yeah, we were changing our gloves. We were sanitizing a lot. I know we didn't show too much of that, but we didn't really think that it was too necessary.
Yeah.
We couldn't have the cats coming in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it on the floor, but the floor is clean.
Yeah, I just vacuumed today. Yeah.
Yeah, and we kept everything, like all of our supplies that we weren't using above us. We tucked it all away.
I mean, we drank wine, which wouldn't recommend because, drinking alcohol and getting a tattoo is not smart, but we did it. Don't do it unless you're
Of age?
I was gonna say a professional, but I was like, we're not professionals.
Professional drinkers or professional stick and poke?
Professional drinkers. Definitely, make sure you're of age, obviously, but do it. If you're gonna drink, do it smart.
Yeah, just be smart about everything.
Oh, and our needles. You only use once. You can't, reuse needles, by the way.
Oh, yeah, that's why we got that 100 pack, because we knew that we were going to be using up quite a few of them.
My first ever stick and poke, which was on my kneecap, was very sketchy. I used, a sewing needle, and the way I sterilized it was with a lighter.
And didn't you use, ballpoint pen ink?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I used, a pen on my... And I also dipped the ink in a beer cap. It was not smart.
I can't believe after all of that, it turned out as good as it did.
It never got infected, nothing, so. I'll put a picture of it right here. If you're interested in stick and poke, do it with a friend. It'll be fun.
I think it was most important to do it on yourself. You could feel how deep you're going.
Yeah.
You can... There's your skin, I don't know if the camera would pick it up, but your skin makes a pop. You can hear the needle going in and coming back out.
Yeah.
So I think if you practice on yourself a few times, then
Definitely practice on yourself.
you'll be a little bit more confident. You could be as artistic as you, I'm not, you're artistic,
No,
I'm not artistic.
You're artistic.
And
We're both a little artistic.
yeah, just be smart, be safe, have fun, and if you feel like doing it, do it.
Relax, have fun. That was fun. Took 5 hours? We watched all 3 episodes of Middle Ditch and Schwartz.
And one of them restarted. I think the first one restarted for the second time. We were like, okay, we should probably done. It wasn't 5 hours. When did I get here?
You got here at 6:30, and we didn't start until 7:30.
Yeah, there was a lot of prep work.
And what time is it? It's 11:30.
So a good
4
chunk of
hours.
time.
4 hours, let's say. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed.
Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.